welcome back to my YouTube channel. I took August off, so there was no video in August, and we're now in September, the beginning of September, and it is absolutely sweltering here in the UK. Apparently we're going to have 3 days of it being hot, so yeah, that will be really nice, and then we'll probably be heading into autumn. So this is the perfect time to be sharing with you some nourishing hair care products. Now these have been recommended to me by a few hairstylists, and they've transformed my hair and how my hair feels and the quality of my hair, and I've been really impressed with them. As you know, I'm only sharing products each month that I have tested for myself, and I've been testing these for about 3 months now, and yeah, I've been really impressed. It's by a company called Kerastase, and I have been using the shampoo and the conditioner or mask, because you leave it in for about 5 minutes. And this one is their Youth Revitalising shampoo, so the one in the dark container. But they also do shampoo and conditioners for other hair care requirements. So they've got one that is for radiance and shine, one that's nourishing and hydrating, one that's anti-frizz. So there's loads of different shampoos to choose from, and obviously depending on your requirements you can choose from there. Now these products are more expensive, as you would expect, than from those shampoos and conditioners that you would buy on the high street or from somewhere like Sainsbury's or Tesco's. They are salon quality, I would say, so the effect on my hair has been transformational. I've been really impressed. I was finding during lockdown that it was becoming really difficult to get my hair clean, hence seeking advice from hairdressers. And I was washing my hair maybe every day, every couple of days, and now I can go about 4 days before I have to wash my hair. So I'm not using as much product. So although these are more expensive, I would expect and have found that the product lasts a long time. So actually I'm not having to buy as many bottles of the shampoo and conditioner. The way I use it is with the shampoo, I'm putting about that sort of amount into my hand, massaging it through on my scalp, and just focusing on that area. I don't bring it down to the ends, I literally just focus on the scalp area, and then obviously wash it out with water. With the conditioner / mask, I'm putting that in my hair from the bottom of my scalp all the way down to the ends, and I leave it in there for about 5 minutes, and then when I want to wash it out, again with water, I am using a comb, and I comb through the conditioner as the water is running through. So invariably I'm washing my hair in the shower, and the comb just helps get the conditioner out really well, and also it smooths the cuticles, so it helps the cuticles to lie flat. So it has a really lovely smoothing effect to my hair. I've found that technique to work really well. The other product that I wanted to share with you is this one here. It's by a company called Evo. Now Evo claim that their packaging is 100% recyclable. Their products are sulfate and paraben free, and they are cruelty free. So, you know, really good in terms of their ethics. So if that's something that's really important to you, I can highly recommend this as a brand. And this product in particular is called Headmistress. And what I do is use this after I have dried my hair with a hairdryer. I then put a small amount of this onto my hand and smooth it through my hair, and I have found that it just helps to get the cuticles and everything to sit smoothly. I don't have that fly away effect that sometimes you can get after blow drying your hair, and it's removed the need to have to use hair straighteners. So instead of hair straighteners, I am using this, which it feels to me that that's a much better option. Obviously, hair straighteners can really dry out your hair and actually be quite damaging. So the product, if I show you, looks like this. Yeah, and as you can see, it's a little bit runny, it's white, and you only need a small amount, and I put that amount onto my fingers, rub my fingers together, and then I just run it through my hair like that, and it just makes it lovely and smooth. And it means that I don't have to use the hair straighteners. So yeah, I've really like this product. And again, although it is more expensive, I think that the product is going to last a long time. Especially as I'm not, washing my hair that often either. So those are the 3 products for this month. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you do end up using any of the products, or maybe you already do use all of them or just one of them, then please do let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you think, what your experience is or has been of using these products. As always, don't forget to subscribe so you are kept informed as to when these videos go live. And if you would like more information about the services that I offer, or you would like to subscribe to my newsletter, then please do head over to my website, janemather.co.uk. All of the information is there, and you can book yourself in for a makeup lesson or a styling consultation, wardrobe edit. The variety is huge, and we can obviously tailor a package to suit you if there's something specific that you would like to cover. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again next month. Take care.